to the channel Acharyaji Online.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Multiplication. Today I am going to tell you about HCF by prime factorization. At first we should know prime factorization. Suppose we have to find out prime factorization of 80. Like this, 2 9 jar, 3 3 jar, 3 1 jar. One thing is rememberable, this all number should be prime number. It means from prime numbers only we have to do this. Here we write prime factorization of 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3, and you know 1 is not prime number. Here we find out prime factorization of 36. 2 is prime number, 2 18 jar, 2 9 jar, here 2 is also prime number, 3 3 jar, this 3 is prime number, 3 1 jar. Now we write prime factorization of 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and you know this one is not prime number. Now we write HCF. HCF, you know, highest common factor. 2 2 common, so we write here 2. 3 is common, so we write by multiplying 3. This 3 is also common, so we write by multiplying 3. What will be 2 3 jar 6, 6 3 jar 18. Like this, HCF of 18 and 36 is clear by prime factorization method. Now we want to know what will be LCM by prime factorization. Suppose we have to find LCM of 18 and 36. Then what will we do? All processes are done same. This will be done same. This will be done same. Now we have to write LCM. How? 2 each, here 2 is common, we have to write. 3 is common, we have to write. This 3 is common, we have to write. Now we will also write non-common left. Non-common left here, no. Non-common left here only 2. So we write here 2. Then answer will be 2 3 jar 6, 6 3 jar 18, 18 2 jar 36. It means 36 is LCM of 18 and 36 by prime factorization. Now we know HCF by division method. As clear by its name, division method, we have to divide. Suppose division method for HCF. HCF division method. Suppose we have to find HCF of 18 and 36. 18 2 jar 36. No left here, remainder. So this is HCF. Not this. This divisor is HCF. This is the division method for finding HCF. Take another example. 18, 36 and 54. What will you do? HCF of this both number is 18. So we from 18 divide this 54. Finally, we will write HCF of 18, 36 and 54. This 18. This is the division method for finding HCF. Now we want to know division method for LCM. Division method for finding LCM. You know LCM, least common multiple. Suppose we have to find LCM of 18 and 36. 18 and 36. We have to find LCM of the both numbers. You have to use here only prime number. This will be better. 2 9 ja, 2 18 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 6 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Now we have no prime number for divide these both numbers. So LCM will be written like this. 2 into 3 into 3. What will be? 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. This is the LCM of 18 and 36. 2 3 ja 1 minute. 2 3 ja 6, 3 ja 18. 2 is left here. So we will write 18 to the 36. I think prime factorization method and division method for finding HCF and LCM is clear. One topic you should write on your notebook: twin primes. Two prime numbers which have difference as 2 are called twin primes. Example 3, 5. These both are prime numbers and difference of these both are 2. So these both numbers are called twin primes. Similarly 5 and 7 are also called twin primes. Now write homework. As homework, first question, write definition of twin primes. Second question, find the HCF of the following: A 56, 28, B 9 and 27, C 3, 8 and 24. Now question number 3, find the LCM of the following: A same, B same, C same. All LCM and HCF you should do by both methods. It means by prime factorization means and by division with both.